Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I'm going to do a straight pour with some leftover paints that I have here, but I've also got a small thing black and white, and I'm going to pour a ribbon over the top. So I'm using the same dish that I just poured one in, and I'm just going to put the paints in on top rather than tip them in from the side as we normally do. I'm just doing this, and I'll scrape them. Oops, I'll scrape them out as well to make sure I'm using them all up. And I think some blue. I might have the dark blue first. White in on there, some light blue, there is silicone in each of these colours except for the black and the white, so I'll just sprinkle that around on the top, stick it over there. Okay people, you're all dirty now, you can have a wash in a minute. Here we go, just pouring it straight out, nothing flash, nothing fancy. Maybe a little twirl at the end. Where's that? Still got plenty of colour in here. Down. Okay, so that's all of that. I'm going to stretch it out just a tad. Before I put my trusty little ribbon on. Right. Oh, it's pretty on its own. Alright, here we go. Right, that is my ribbon, and I'm going to, I think, bring it over this corner first, or not. That corner went quicker. The recipes for these paints and pouring media you'll find below show more under the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across and join us there. And on this last corner. And I have it. I'm not really sure here what happened exactly to my ribbons. I'm certainly getting some cell action. So what I might just do, I think I've got all the corners. Have I got any left in there? Probably not. how that one goes. Yep. Okay, I'm very happy. Happy. Just making sure my corners are done. Sometimes you touch them and then they go baldy on you. Alright, I'm just wiping my hands off and then I'm going to torch it. See how we go there with maybe some nice cells. Alright, well, that one's very pretty, and I got rid of a lot of air bubbles, but there are some cells coming up, and there was some already here which are looking really good, and in here there's some nice larger ones, so that's pretty good. I'll bring you down now to take a closer look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you will then be notified as I put up more videos into YouTube. There's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and join us. Little birds are calling me. Must be nearly time to come inside. So, there you can see my ribbon. And the cells, lots of cells in the background there, kind of makes it look a bit 3D, which is rather nice. Yes, I like this way of doing it. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.